We have 500 staff. Say again, 500. 5 locations, 200 staff. Hi, my name's Nick. I'm one of the directors of the Commune Group. We own Hanohana, Tokyo Tina and Neptune. We're always focused on customer experience. People have a good time and have some good food, they're going to come back. My first role was as a busboy, collecting glasses at the local pub while I was studying uni. We'd walk around the venue and just pick up empty glasses, return them to the bar, put them through the washing machine, cleaning the bathrooms. It was pretty much the bottom rung of hospitality. And then after that moved into the bar, and that's where I met my current business partners. And then we decided to open Hanohana, which was our first venue. From that day onwards, that restaurant's always had a wait list that's been full basically every night. The restaurant industry is such fast pace and it can change week to week, so having MYOB which can keep up with us and looking at everything in real time or cloud-based is really pivotal. Wages are up to 40% of our business cost, so things like MYOB, single touch payroll and deputy really help us keep on top of it. Anything that makes it easier and streamlined and you know it's accurate and it's done completely is a big plus. We started with 1 restaurant and 10 staff and now we're 5 sites and 200 staff. It's all due to our hard work and it's just an industry that I really love and passionate about.